21 is internationally observed as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, and theme of this year was share facts on drugs save lives. Uh, Using drugs is a social problem and a dilemma for the family members, and as addiction, when person starts using it and becomes dependent on that, it becomes a brain disease, and it has to get the person has to take treatment to get free of this addiction can be anything. It can be of any substance, but substance which can cause changes in the brain can bring about addiction and dependence on that substance. It can be alcohol, it can be cannabis, it can be opioid products, it can be tobacco products. Worldwide they are used, and seeking, first of all, first step would be to prevent use of these drugs. There are many strategies. One is everything depends on demand and supply. If there is no demand, there will not be supply. There are many policies which can be used. First of all, policy formulation by the state or the government. Second is stringent laws to control drug trafficking and drug use. Third is health preventive aspects, educating and bringing awareness among the young adolescents not to use the drugs, because it's the age when they are very gullible and they indulge in all these aspects. And fourth is harm reduction. Harm reduction can be through many things. That is, one is it can be harm can be physical, psychological, and physical in the form of because of using of drugs, the person can develop physical illness, can undergo road traffic accident, can acquire sexually transmitted illnesses, and psychological or emotional harm, that is in the form of it can cause dependence on the substance being used, and dependence, withdrawal, and it can cause psychiatric illnesses like depression, anxiety, and psychosis. And lastly will be treatment of a person dependent on the substance, on drugs. Treatment can be through pharmacological means and non-pharmacological means. It all boils down to what is the level of addiction of the person and where we are planning to get him treated. Thank
you. Please subscribe Art News World and press the bell icon for more videos.